Today we are welcoming back my colleague Allita Nagornaia to continue our conversation about AI and language teaching. Welcome back, Allita.
Thank you.
What are some ways AI can be utilized in the classroom?
AI can help create quizzes, assignments, and interactive lessons. AI can adjust lessons to each student's needs, helping them learn at their own pace. AI tools can support language learning, especially for ESL students, with vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Let's explore how we can use AI in the classroom.
How can we interact with AI in the classroom setting?
We interact with AI in various ways across different platforms, from voice assistants to recommendation algorithms. Let me give you a few examples. Through natural language processing, NLP, we interact with AI by typing or speaking commands. You might ask a virtual assistant, "What is the weather today?" The AI processes the query, searches for the weather data, and responds with a relevant answer. AI algorithms track user behavior, that is, clicks, likes, watch history, to make personalized suggestions for movies, music, and more. And another type of interaction with AI is giving prompts.
What role do prompts play when interacting with AI?
Prompts guide and instruct the system on what action to take or information to generate. Prompts provide clear instructions to AI systems, helping them understand what users want. Without a specific prompt, the AI may not know the type of response or task the user requires.
Why is providing clear instructions to AI important?
By providing clear and detailed instructions, that is prompts, users can tailor the AI's response to meet specific needs, ensuring that output aligns with what they are looking for. These prompts can be in the form of questions, commands, or short phrases. The quality and specificity of the prompt will affect how the AI interprets the request and generates a response. Let's have a look at the way we could make our prompt as specific as possible. First, clearly explain the AI's role. Choose a concept to focus on, deepening understanding or explanation. If using an AI connected to the internet, like Copilot, ask it to search for the concept using keywords in the field. Clearly state your needs and the teaching strategy you want to use, such as providing numerous and varied examples of the concept or offering a clear explanation of a topic, or using a low-stakes test to assess student knowledge. Specify the style of writing you prefer, such as clear, direct, specific, lively, engaging, etc. Describe your audience, whether they are high school students or college students who are unfamiliar with the concept. After the initial prompt, ask for analogies or more examples. Review the output. You may need to refine it to create factual and higher-order questions. The following slides provide a series of prompts for effectively using the AI. These prompts guide users on how to interact with AI to generate high-quality learning materials. The prompts also emphasize the importance of providing clear instructions to the AI, including the desired learning objectives, audience, and writing style.
How do large language models, or LLMs, differ from learning management systems, or LMS?
Generative AI comes in two main types: large language models, LLMs, and learning management systems, LMS. LLMs are specifically designed to generate high-quality, human-like text, suitable for creating a wide range of content like essays, articles, poems, scripts, code, music, emails, and letters. On the other hand, LMS platforms may not be generative AI themselves, but they often incorporate AI components that enhance their functionality. For example, some LMS platforms use AI to create personalized learning paths, adaptive quizzes, and automated feedback on student assignments. Therefore, while LLMs directly generate content, LMS platforms can indirectly leverage generative AI to provide more personalized and effective learning experiences.
How can LMS platforms directly leverage AI to enhance learning?
AI can help by looking at how students use the LMS, learning management system, and suggesting personalized learning materials, assignments, and resources. It can also change the difficulty of quizzes and exams based on how well a student has performed in the past. Additionally, AI can assist teachers with grading assignments and quizzes on LMS platforms. Furthermore, AI can recommend extra resources like readings, videos, and exercises based on a student's interests or areas where they need more help.
What are some key features of Grammarly as an AI-powered writing assistant?
Grammarly is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps users improve their grammar, punctuation, and style. Here are some of the features of Grammarly. Grammarly can identify and correct common grammar mistakes, such as subject-verb agreement, pronoun usage, and punctuation errors. Grammarly can suggest ways to improve your writing style, such as making your sentences more concise or using more varied vocabulary. Grammarly can check your writing against a vast database of sources to ensure that it is original. Grammarly can analyze the tone of your writing and suggest ways to make it more appropriate for your audience. Overall, Grammarly is a helpful tool for anyone who wants to improve their writing skills. We should download and install the Grammarly browser extension. Then open a new document or start typing in an existing one. Grammarly will automatically scan your text and suggest corrections. As you write, it will underline potential errors or areas for improvement. You can adjust its settings to suit your needs. You can customize the types of errors it checks for, the level of formality. You can select the appropriate style, academic, business, casual, based on your target audience and purpose. You can also specify writing goal, clarity, engagement, correctness, to receive more relevant suggestions. Here, you can see how you can change the tone of your writing and make it sound more friendly, assertive, exciting, or diplomatic. Unfortunately, there is a limited number of prompts for free, so there are various other plans to access the tool.
What role does AI play in document analysis using Adobe PDF?
Adobe PDF refers to the AI-powered tools. Adobe Acrobat can automatically analyze PDF documents to extract key information such as text, images, and metadata. These can be used for tasks like data extraction, search, and indexing. AI-powered editing tools can help users modify PDF documents more efficiently. For example, AI can suggest contextually relevant edits or automatically correct errors.
What steps can be taken to tailor an AI-generated test to specific learning objectives?
I downloaded a document, speaking test, and asked AI to create a speaking test based on this sample. Then I specified the audience as pre-intermediate level students. Additionally, I informed the AI about the topic of the speaking test that I want to create, which is entertaining business clients. As you can see, the AI confirmed its understanding of the task and began generating the test. In order to ensure that the AI comprehended my instructions accurately and paid attention to all the details, I inquired about the duration and the number of points in the test as an example. As you can see, the sample says the duration of the speaking test is 1-2 minutes with a total of 10 points for the test. In this slide, you can see the AI-generated scenario provided with a detailed description. You may make improvements, shorten it, or make changes as needed. However, the task is complete. Here, you can see the structure of the AI's output. AI outlined 4 requirements as it was given in the example. And here is the conclusion.
How can AI-powered tools like QuizBots assist teachers in creating assessments?
QuizBot is a tool or platform designed to create and administer quizzes. It can be used for various purposes, including education, entertainment, and assessment.
What are some common functions of QuizBots in an educational setting?
Here are some common features you might find in a QuizBot. Users can create their own questions in various formats, such as multiple choice, true-false, fill in the blank, or short answer. Quizzes can be customized with different settings, such as time limits, difficulty levels, and feedback options. Many QuizBots offer a library of pre-made questions or the ability to import questions from other sources. QuizBots can automatically grade quizzes and provide feedback to users, highlighting correct and incorrect answers. QuizBots can generate reports and analytics to track user performance and identify areas for improvement. These are some of the functions of the platform. In this slide, I requested the platform to generate a test with multiple choice questions for intermediate level students on the topic of getting a manicure. I also included the words taught in the unit so that the test could assess the material learned. QuizBot can also generate images based on a prompt. For example, generate an image for the topic Getting a Manicure, manicure tools. And here you are. It's an excellent way to start your warm-up. Unfortunately, there is a limit to free usage of this platform. And here is the price plan.
How can AI generate rubrics for teachers? And what are the benefits of this?
AI can create rubrics tailored to specific learning objectives. This saves time, ensures consistency, and provides personalized feedback. Teachers can simply provide information about the assignment to the AI, which generates a suitable rubric. This technology helps teachers streamline the evaluation process and ensure fair and accurate assessments. You can also download an Excel file with a rubric.
What are some challenges AI-powered speech recognition systems face with non-native speakers?
There are many AI speech recognition platforms. They are designed to help users improve their speaking skills. It typically uses speech recognition technology to analyze a user's speech patterns and provide feedback on pronunciation, fluency, and vocabulary. The software can accurately recognize and describe spoken words. It can measure a user's fluency, including their speaking rate, pauses, and hesitations. It may offer various practice exercises, such as reading aloud, answering questions, or engaging in conversations.
What did the experiments reveal about AI's accuracy in recognizing incorrect answers?
I conducted several experiments to understand how the platform works. To do this, I created tests with varying questions and answers to measure English proficiency. Each test consists of 5 questions. Initially, I used the same set of questions in multiple tests. These questions were: what's your name? Where are you from? Do you prefer to work alone or in a group? Do you live in a house or an apartment? Do you like shopping? I portrayed different English proficiency levels in these tests. In some, I answered fluently, while in others, I pretended to be a beginner or a pre-intermediate student with a heavy Russian accent. I intentionally made grammar mistakes in some tests to assess how the system recognizes errors, and in later tests, I provided incorrect answers to observe the platform's response. From my observations, I noticed that the system did not consistently recognize incorrect answers, but penalized me for non-native pronunciation errors. In the second phase, I generated tests based on the A1, A2, and B1 SAFER standards using AI. However, the system consistently evaluated my levels as A1 regardless of the test content. AI-powered voice recognition has difficulty with dialects and accented speech.
What are some limitations of using AI-generated writing test assignments?
I have conducted 3 experiments to determine if ChatGPT can identify incorrect answers. As you can see, there are 2 parts in the test, A and B. The first test contains all correct answers in part A and incorrect answer 15 in part B. However, in the feedback, the system marked the incorrect answer as correct. In test 2, I intentionally answered all questions incorrectly in part A, and in part B, answers 11, 12, 13, and 14 were correct, while the rest were incorrect. What feedback did we receive? The system did not recognize any incorrect answers in part A. However, in part B, it indicated that answers 11, 14, and 16 were incorrect. In fact, as we recall, answers 11, 12, 13, and 14 were correct, while the rest were incorrect. In test 3, I decided to only test part A and see if ChatGPT recognizes handwriting. Answers 5 and 6 were incorrect. What about the feedback? The system mistakenly marked my already correct answer 4 as incorrect and did not notice the incorrect answers.
What are some limitations of using AI-generated final exams in education?
AI is not yet capable of generating final exams, so teachers often use online textbook resources to download tests and quizzes. This method saves time, although it may not be applicable to some courses where teachers have to create tests from scratch.
What is GradeScope and how does it assist teachers in grading?
Now let's talk about GradeScope. GradeScope is an online grading platform designed to streamline the grading process for educators. It offers tools for grading written exams and homework assignments. Unfortunately, I couldn't test it as it requires to contact their sales team and reveal our company's name. Here are some key features of GradeScope. GradeScope uses artificial intelligence to help automate the grading process, especially for tasks like multiple choice questions. Instructors can grade assignments question by question, providing detailed feedback to students. GradeScope allows instructors to create rubrics to assess student work consistently and fairly. Students can upload their assignments directly to GradeScope, making the grading process more efficient. GradeScope can integrate with popular LMS platforms like Canvas and Blackboard, making it easy for instructors to manage their assignments and grades. Overall, GradeScope aims to simplify the grading process for educators while providing valuable feedback and insights to students.
How can AI help teachers save time for more personalized instruction?
Though AI has the social cognitive capabilities of a 2-year-old, it can be a useful assistant to a teacher. Namely, it can quickly generate a variety of educational materials, such as lesson plans, quizzes, etc., freeing up teachers' time for more personalized instruction. AI can save teachers valuable time that can be spent on more meaningful interactions with students or professional development as a teacher. It can also handle administrative tasks, allowing teachers to focus on developing creative and engaging learning experiences.
Once again, thank you very much, Allita. Your information was extremely insightful. Thank you.
Thank you very much. My pleasure.